So what we are doing here is we are adding the choice group, one which will show the characters in a password field, okay, or it hides the characters in the password field. Choice group, public private choice group show, and in the constructor I will do here what? Okay, show is equal to new choice group, and I will not put anything there, right? Let it be nothing, no string there, okay. And what, or maybe I say password characters. Password characters I'm saying, either show or whatever, and I should say what? Choice. Do you remember? Choice dot. C should be caps, that's why it's showing the problem. Choice dot what? Exclusive. Okay, and I'm appending it what? No, शो को पहले अपेंड करेंगे ना, कुछ तो होना चाहिए वहाँ पे या नहीं. Append, what else? Show. That you are trying to show the characters ना. Show वहाँ पे आएगा ना, choice जो आएगी आपके पास उसका नाम होगा ना, show choice group का नाम है, लेकिन अंदर कौन सी choice है? जैसे कल हमने वो डिशेस बताने क्या बनाया था, कलर्स बनाए थे, रेड ब्लू, अंदर choice ना select होगी, रेड होगा. The show is that, okay, and we have to listen to that. Already we have put the item state listener, right, on the top. Is it? We have the item state listener, so we already have the item state listener, no problem whatsoever. And if we had now append this to the form, right, we should append this show to the form. This is choice group, show choice group, right? Better I will name it as show CG, show choice group. कहाँ पे है CC? ठीक है? Okay, now got to append this to the form, to the main form, right? So I say what was the login form? Login frm dot append. What else? Show CG choice group. Fine. Now we have the show choice group, and we want to write a code on that. So if you give it a go, and we will have that now. What else? It's not work, but we are having. Okay. We should also give some time to these guys, right? Because they're not going off. So show is there already chucked. Can I uncheck it? No, because it's only one choice and it's chucked. So we need a check box there, in fact. What? To give it a tick and not tick. So give it a, if I say login, what will it say? Because there is we haven't given, so cancel, it will exit. So what we're gonna do is, we have not exclusive here, rather we have dot multiple, so that it gives me that checkbox. One thing is that. Second thing is what was that? We have to work on that exit command of the next form. We haven't worked yet, right? Main form में जो exit है उसके ऊपर हमने काम ही नहीं किया ना. Okay, now यहाँ पे आपका ये show एक आ गया, इसको chuck and unchuck करने से कुछ होना चाहिए हमें ना. So इसको chuck या unchuck, that is item state change. We can work that in what? If you have not worked with me the whole this month on J2ME, then you will have a problem. If you have worked on this, it's an easy. You have done all these things, all the pieces together, right? I have told you single first concept and program. I think you should be able to do that. Now public void item state change, because if you chuck or unchuck that, what? Show. So if I say here if item is equal to show CG, right? और इसके अंदर आप देखनी है चॉइस कौन सी है ना? If what should I say? If show CG dot अगर वो सिलेक्ट है, वो कैसे कर देते हैं हम उसका? शुड बी गेट selected index will say this thing, huh? Should we do 2 checkboxes or 1 checkbox? Is what I am adding here the show CG dot append hide. So we have show and hide. Which one is selected? According to that, we can have now radio buttons also. We can have also the radio buttons now, right? Because we should have not multiple, because multiple will do what? It will select, we can select both of them, but it should not select both of them, right? It should be exclusive. Anybody having sleep, you should go outside the class. Okay, then we come here, we say if show this thing, if show CG dot get selected index, what show? Get selected index is equal to 0 if it is the first one, right? अगर 0, अपना दिमाग लड़ाओ यार, पहला अगर है यानी कि आपने सिलेक्ट किया है कौन सा? शो को, फिर मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? फिर तो शो करना चाहिए आपको कैरेक्टर्स, किसके कैरेक्टर्स? Then you should say pass dot, there is a constraints, okay, I should say set constraints rather. Yes, very good, beautiful. Text बीच बीच में तो अच्छा पड़ता है. Text field dot any, isn't it? Because if it is show CG dot get selected index, then you should say pass dot set constant text field dot any, it will show the characters, right? लेकिन अगर ये 1 है, else if show CG dot get selected index is equal to 1, then what should we do? Pass dot set constraints, okay? This time text field dot password. लेकिन पहले कौन सा सिलेक्ट होना चाहिए? तो पहले ही शो को सिलेक्ट करेगा ना. जब आप इसको रन, इफ यू रन इट, it will have it will work, but the problem is कि आपका पासवर्ड वहाँ पे है लेकिन सिलेक्ट होगा शो, है ना? इसको भी मॉडल से ये ठीक है, ये तो शो है. अब मैं अगर इसमें कुछ भर रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये तो शो नहीं कर रहा है ना, लेकिन सिलेक्ट शो है, ये सिलेक्ट हाइड होना चाहिए था, है ना? देखिए अगर मैं शो करूँगा अभी दिखा रहा है टेक्स्ट. सो पहली बार जब आ गए तो हाइड सिलेक्ट होना चाहिए ना कि शो, है ना? यू गेटिंग मी व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? Yes, so I should say in the beginning when I'm creating the choice group, but I'm creating this, in this I'm creating it append dot show CG, and I say here show CG dot, there was something what, set something, set selected index, okay, index कौन सा? 0, right? Now it will select that. अच्छा 1, you're right, 1 because 0 is a show. This is one thing. Second thing is जो हमारे alerts है ना, उसका हम थोड़ा टाइम रखते हैं क्योंकि वो भाग नहीं रहे. क्योंकि उनका ये है ना, वो स्क्रॉल स्क्रीन आ रहा है, तो इसलिए पहले देखते हैं ये चल रहा है या नहीं. Let's see if it's working or not, then we'll work on other things. Maybe also to beautify this, we will load images with the things. Maybe images come here and something like that. Okay, so पहले hide पे है ना, अब show पे नहीं है. So you can say here, for example, some wrong pass thing, and I have password जो है मेरा wrong है. ठीक है, इसको show करेंगे हमने क्या लिखा, पासवर्ड ठीक लिखा था. ठीक है, एंड हाइड, इट विल हाइड. जो ही आइटम स्टेट चेंज हो रही है, इट फायर्स द आइटम स्टेट चेंज इट फील्ड. ओके, वहाँ पे इफ एंड एल्स चल रहा है कि अगर ये वाला बंदा है, जीरो वाला बंदा है, तो ये इसको एनी बना रहा है. ये वाला बंदा है तो इसको वो हाइड दिखा रहा है. वेरी इजी, इजंट इट? ओनली थिंग इज यू हैव टू पुट योर इंटेलिजेंस. ये कोई बुक्स वुक्स पे नहीं होता ना ये चीज़ें. यू हैव टू यूज योर ब्रेन हाउ टू कंबाइन थिंग्स. वहाँ आपको चॉइस ग्रुप दिखाया जाएगा, वहाँ थोड़ी दिखाया जाएगा कैसे यूज़ करोगे. इट इज़ अप टू यू देन टू यूज़ योर ओके. ओके, so what I'm saying is here also we can have a code that if username is correct and password is wrong, so you should give me information only that your password is wrong. Username is correct but password is wrong. Okay, if password is username is incorrect and password is correct, you should say your username is incorrect and password is. There could be a lot of things. That's your job, you have to do that. You getting me? So फिलहाल एक बात, what we have given username and password. Okay, and hide is the better. I don't want to show you the password. I will not tell you it is Junaid. So go to the login. Login successful. Is it? Welcome to Bluetooth application, and make it modal. This is getting forever, right? And it goes to this, and this exit button doesn't work. We have to work on this exit button also, right? Okay, I think that's all for today. You will do these things by yourself. Sure? Any questions?